See, what was the question given here? We have a function. What is it? It is given it as f of x is nothing but alpha times x into sine pi x by 2 when x is not equal to 0. And this function will be 1 when x is equal to 0. Agree. So what they are telling here, they are saying like if the function is continuous at the point x is equal to 0, what happened to alpha x? How alpha x is defined? Limit x tends to 0, alpha x value will be what? Simply infinity they are giving. Is it okay? Same thing I'll be applying here. Are you getting my point? Yes. So now let us move on here. So let us take, when can I say a function is continuous? I can say that f is continuous. When can I say? If your left hand limit must be equals to right hand limit, which is equals to the function which is f of 0 here. Or simply I can say that limit will exist at that point and must be equals to f of 0. Then only I can say that a function is continuous. Agree. So if you check what is our f of 0, they have already mentioned f of 0 is 1. I think you can see they have mentioned f of 0 is 1. And what is the limit of the function? Limit x tends to 0. This is alpha times x. This is sine of pi x by 2. Is it okay? This will be what? This also must be 0. Why? Because limit must be equals to this value. So to make the function as a continuous function. Agree? So when can I say limit of this function will be equal? So actually if you remember, we can actually split out the limits here. Is it okay? So what we can do here, we know that limit x tends to 0, sine ax by ax will be always 1. Same formula I was trying to apply. What is A? A is the coefficient of x. Here also, I'll try to take it as what pi by 2 x. Pi by 2 into x we have, right? So that is missing. So what I'll do? I'll simply rewrite this thing as limit x tends to 0. I'll take alpha x outside here. Is it okay? And I can make this term as what? Sine of pi 2 pi or pi by 2 times x by pi by 2 times x. I'll be divide. I have divided already. I'll be multiplying pi by 2 times x. Is it okay? If you feel like this is not actually clear, I'll do in this way. Let me show you. Simply what I can do, I can from this, I can simply take alpha of x is nothing but what? Simply 2 pi by x. Why? Because if I take alpha as 2 pi by x, if I apply the limit x tends to 0, what I'll be getting here? Sine pi x by 2. So to balance this equation, what should I do? Simply in place of an, if I can write it as what? Pi x by 2 I can make. Is it okay? If I take a reciprocal, what I'll be getting here? The same thing what I got 2 by pi x. So I'll be getting the same thing here. So this is the reason. Is it clear? So if I take alpha x as 2 pi by x, then I'll be getting an answer. Or I think I have to write the pi in the denominator, because if I take a reciprocal, this is 2 by, this is pi x. Is it okay? So this is the only alpha value that will satisfy this condition. Is it okay? Because I was trying to apply limit x tends to 0. Sine pi x by 2 by sine pi x by 2 will be always 1. So that is what I will be applying. But how? Simply alpha is equals to, I'll write it as alpha x. Function value will be 2 by pi x. This is our final answer. Is it okay? Yes. Thank you.